Well, I am currently up North Florida, kind of by Jacksonville, visiting my dad for Christmas time, and I'm pulling up to the first Goodwill. Sadly, there's only 2 thrift stores on this little island, so I'm not gonna find too much, or I don't expect to find too much, but you never know if you don't go. Last time, or last year, 2 years, I forget when I came here last time, but last time I did come here, I did find a bunch of vintage Jesus shirts, just because this island is very religious, so they have a lot of people that have those types of shirts. So yeah, let's go into Goodwill and let's see what we can find, guys.
Well, I guess we could start off with the shoes off rip. Some Nike cleats, some Vans. Probably not gonna find any Jordans here just because this is an older crowd in this island. Look at these slippers. Alright, let's look for the clothes. Well, look at these, some Umbro soccer shorts. Have multiple colors. Got a green pair, got a red pair, then we have a blue pair. Look at those, all matching. What are these? A-Life. Oh, look at that. See, I guess that's Puma A-Life. See, I guess that's one good thing about being in a cold weather. Like, look where I'm wearing. Because you get all the swimsuits. Let's get a cart, though. Because it seems like so far we got some 4 shorts. Just came across this starter jersey, but it is peeling. Starter large. Gators. All the letters are peeling, sadly. It's like Fubu Fat Albert, I think. I don't know. Oh, if only this was a bigger Team Glock. Nothing on the back. Got this vintage white tag Nike. No branding or anything. I wish there was like a big swoosh something, because this tag is beautiful, but nothing. Well, here's like the first real piece of vintage 1993 Jacksonville Jaguars. Made on the Delta crew neck. Then we did find this Marlboro. I've actually never found this one before. Marlboro, like leather jacket. Has a lot of stains on it. Not much branding or printing. Depending on how much it is, I might get it, but I don't know. It's kind of beat up. But it is Marlboro. This isn't that bad. Usually I pass on Nautica competition, but since it is hoodie season, this isn't that bad. Depending on price, I might get it, but I don't know. Put it in the cart. So we're leaving. These are the boots I got, by the way. Gore-Tex, my size. I got them for $15. I spent $40 on everything, which we're not back home, so it's not too bad. But yeah, we got a big bag of stuff. And then, like I said, these boots I didn't even show you, but they're Gore-Tex insulated, super nice. And I just love the color. Almost gives like the Yeezy vibes. Well, sadly, I literally just pulled up to the second thrift store and it says closed on Mondays, as you guys see. I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick up this video tomorrow. I'm gonna go back to my dad's house. We're gonna go get lunch. We're gonna go do that. Maybe I'll record some of it, but I'll kind of continue the trip to the thrift tomorrow when this thrift store opens and we can get some more content, because obviously we just went to that first Goodwill and I'm not gonna post a video of just me going to one thrift store. That's ridiculous. So yeah, I guess I'll just kind of keep you guys updated. Like I said, sadly, there's only that Goodwill and this thrift store. No other thrift store is on this little island that I'm on. So yeah, sadly, we gotta work what we gotta work with. But let me go home. My dad just called me. Something's wrong with Cap and he's like bleeding on his face. So let's go see what's wrong with the little man. Wow, Captain's all good. What happened is, since it's cold up here, his face gets dry. So he scratches himself and it causes it to bleed. He's eating his pebbles though. Oh, it's dark. So as I was sitting here trying on these boots, I realized they're steel-toed. That's why they're so heavy. Hey, you're messing up the rug. Got boogers too. Come here. You're a mess. I'm throwing it this way. It's over here. Dude. It's over there. Alright, let's clean your boogers. So we came to Salt Life. It's actually on the beach. And we ordered the spinach crab dip. So I got the fish and chips. My dad got the wrong thing. He ordered tacos, not nachos, but they gave him nachos. But look at those nachos, they look crazy. Look at these Tommy shoes. New age Tommy Hilfiger, 13 bucks. Has a little piece on it too. So I came to the Goodwill that I was at the other day. We found some nice things. Found this 2010 Disney shirt. We got this Lakers colorway, champion spell out. Found this Mickey Disney. I just like the oh, never mind. I just saw there's rips. We're gonna have to leave this. But I like the print on it. I thought it was cool, but I don't know. This is a big rip. Easy fix, but I don't know. We'll see, I guess. What else do we got? Nice faded Carhartt pocket tee. Like a nice faded black. And then a 2017 Disney Parks. Well, I definitely didn't see these last time. Polo Ralph Lauren bear shorts. The new age tag. Nice little red colorway. Just found this Huff hat too. Little 5-panel. Carhartt hat. They have a bunch of hats. Like, this thing is completely filled. This is kind of nice though. Nice little wash. Just found this Mark McGuire 1998 shirt. Well, second day in a row. It says closed, but people walked inside, so we're going inside, guys. Hopefully find something good. Well, this is the men's section versus the women's section. It's like 5 rows. So probably not gonna find much. Harley Davidson hat has like the barbed wire going around, and they have another one up here. This one's a little plain, so I'll probably leave this one. I'll probably end up grabbing this one though. This one's pretty cool. These are pretty cool Adidas track pants with like the Adidas going down the side. These New Balances are pretty cool. Trail Busters. Just like the colors of them. Just feeling like this vintage animal shirt also. And then we found this Nike Cardinals jersey. Brown.
Well, I just got out at thrift store and that wasn't that bad. Honestly, I thought that we were gonna find less. That all over like whale shirt was so sick. I ended up getting a Sony backpack. Actually, I don't even know if I showed you guys. I got this Sony, you guys saw I got a new camera. Well, I just got this Sony camera backpack for $8. Literally brand new, has all the accessories inside, super nice, perfect for my big camera. So that's gonna be clutch. I got the Adidas track pants. I left the Vineyard Vines Thanksgiving shirt because Thanksgiving just passed, so it didn't make sense to buy that. I got the Harley Davidson hat, I got the CCM hockey jersey, and then I got the Nike Cardinals jersey. So that wasn't bad. I spent $28 on everything. So I figured $20 on the clothes, $8 on the backpack, not bad at all. Now I'm gonna go home. Me and my dad are gonna be cooking some lamb chops. I'm gonna be cooking the broccoli casserole and mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you guys that. You guys really enjoy the Thanksgiving cooking and kind of enjoyed something different than just the thrifting. So let's go home and make some lamb chops.